Hi guys, welcome back to Four-Wheel Driver's Life. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Eaton Harrop e-locker works. You will also see how effective the rear locker is in certain off-road situations on my Toyota Tundra. As you can see here, I'm on two-wheel drives and it's an off-camber situation where its suspension is fully flexed, driver rear is in the air and it's digging. No tractions, and the moment I turned the e-locker on, see how it took the wheel spin a quarter turn and then the locker engaged and was able to crawl over. Bear in mind that this is in two-wheel drive. And now we're going to do the whole thing again in 4 high, as you can see here. As the suspension crossed up over this ditch, the passenger rear tire is losing traction. And the moment I engaged the rear locker, it started to crawl up. Now we have this very steep incline with a rock slab in the front of my front tire right now. As you can see, the vehicle is on 4 low. The terrain is leaned to the driver's side while it's very steep climbing. So I felt kind of fishy because when I was going up, the car kept sliding to my driver's side. That's why I naturally wanted to always steer to the right a little bit, so that I kind of wanted to adjust my angle up the hill that way. But then it's still pulling the vehicle to the left. So I didn't want to send it or using a lot of momentum. I want to see if I can climb up slowly or crawl up, first without locker and then with locker. And as demonstrated, I wasn't able to quote-unquote safely crawl up on my A-track alone, which is 4 low. Now as I gestured, I just turned on the rear locker and let's see what happens. See that as the locker engages, both wheels are turning at the same speed. However, it kind of skidded to the left a little bit. It was kind of sketchy, but I was able to keep going. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment below of how do you think the locker did. Do you think it's worth it, or do you think it's something that you can easily achieve with a track? Please comment. Let me know.